Are you tired of hot dogs over the fire? Let's try something different. Hi there. I'm sitting here next to my campfire, and I found this under a boulder. Someone had put it there, so I guess we can use it. We're going to make vegetarian hamburgers. And for this I'm using a frying pan like this. This is not cast iron, it's stainless steel. And this is something I use even when I make hot dogs. I use this because it's very convenient. You don't need any sticks, and you can make so much from so many dishes on a frying pan, or a skillet, I guess you call it. So that's what we will use. And we also have salt, pepper. Yes, this is vegetarian burgers. This I think they are made of soy protein. And I'm not a vegetarian myself, but I like to have vegetarian food now and then. So we will try this out. And I know many, due to the pandemic, many are outdoors, socializing and meeting friends, making food. So and usually you have. Often it's hot dogs, and nothing wrong with that. But sometimes you want to try something else. So hamburgers is a very good option. We have a great fire. Going. It is behaving just as you want it to. It is not what it used to be the case. So let's take the skillet, add some fat to it, like that. And we'll let the pan be really warm before we add the burgers. Like this. I should add some more of this butter. Like that. It explodes. Well, be careful with the heat. I don't know if it is, maybe vegetarian burgers are more likely to explode, so be careful. And that's something that is important, generally important when you cook food over a campfire. you have to be careful about the heat, because it usually gets hot very fast. But that was the first time I had a food explosion. And now I used butter, but I think butter cannot stand so much heat. So in this case it would have been better to use oil for this. But so now we can add fry the breads. So it's time to build our burger. I think we put some. We can start with this here. Add some cheese like that. And also have some salad. I don't know if this is the best salad for this, but it is salad, something green. Look at this. This must be better than a sausage. Then we add some, I forgot to add spices, black pepper and salt. Like that. Of course you can use whatever you want on your burger, but this is a very fast burger. Don't take much effort to do this. And we also have some dressing, if I can get it out from here. No. Put some more salad. Some cheese. There you have it. So here's our burger, and this, I would say, it's much better than a hot dog. So let's see how it tastes. I would say the vegetarian, this is soy protein burgers, and really good, really tasty. What shall we call it? Mac Forest, double Mac Forest. And if you happen to find some mushrooms, you can also throw it onto the skillet and put it on top. So, but this is a basic burger, and now it's time to prepare the dessert. So that was a nice burger. Now it's time for the dessert. And for dessert we will have fried bananas. A fried banana. And for this you need your skillet. And we will just cut this, or cut it in half like this. And we will use, for this we have to use oil because we want to have it a bit fried. So we would add some oil, and then we just fry it. And this is because a frying pan is it's very versatile. You can use it for different purposes. If you want, you can put, for example, coconut, dried coconut, what's the name, on it, or maybe some